On a regular basis, I get asked, what do you use on your skin? Being in my 70s, it would really show if my skin looked really bad, especially because I have very poor genetics for quality skin. I have found some secrets that I want to share with you, and I want you to know that I look at certain criteria. It's got to produce results. It's got to be clean ingredients. It's got to be affordable, and it has to be easy. For years, probably decades, I was using everything I could lay my hands on to try and get good skin because I'm in front of the camera a lot, and I used to fuss at Forrest because he just clearly didn't get the lighting right. I couldn't possibly look that bad. Now it's so easy because my skin, if I may say so myself, looks really good. So I want to share those secrets with you. You never want to underestimate how important it is to hydrate. Your skin needs to be hydrated to look plump and to look youthful. So I carry my water bottle everywhere, and I drink filtered good quality water all day long. Now, in the morning, after I've been through the night and your skin just, can accumulate, I use a brand called Dr. Hauschka. It comes from Germany, very affordable. In the notes that we have, you'll find out where you can get it. I always buy it on sale. This is a cleansing cream, so it helps to exfoliate anything old off the skin. Now at night, I use the Soothing Cleansing Milk, and this is helpful to just cleanse off any makeup that I might have worn. Although if I'm just around the house, I don't need makeup, and this is just great for cleansing at night. Now, after that, I do something that I absolutely love. It's been the game changer, and that's using PrimaSkin. When I discovered this a couple of years ago, I found that not only did I enjoy spraying it when I first get up, I spray it throughout the day, I spray it at night, I even spray it on my hair. This has allowed me to reduce the amount of skincare I use by probably hundreds of dollars, and it has simplified my entire routine. This is something that I never thought could make such a big difference, but it totally has. You still want to cleanse your face morning and evening. You want to use this morning and evening, and whenever you want to do it throughout the day, under makeup, over makeup, without makeup, this is great. And then when I'm cleansing in the shower, there's another brand I like called Josie Moran, and she's got a really good body wash, so that's what I use instead of bar soap. Although there's some good bars, this just happens to be what I use. Now, when it comes to shampoo and conditioner, I'm going to give you two options. One is by a company, Suzanne Summers, and even though she's passed, I really appreciate her commitment to clean ingredient products. So I use her shampoo and conditioner. They're in the shower, and then when I come out, back to the little trick, I spray on just a little bit of the PrimaSkin, and then I use her styling gel just a little bit. I used to use way too much. I only use 1 to 1.5 squirts, and then I rub all that into my hair, and that's what takes care of my hair. Super simple. Now, Anna was having some hair loss, and so she went and looked for all kinds of options. So I want to share with you what she found works beautifully for her, and even Forrest is using it. It helps with hair loss and restoration of hair. It's a shampoo and conditioner bar, 2 different bars, and it's by the Earthing Company. And so these are just bars, and it gives you instructions that you can use to put it into your hair. And each one of these will replace 2 to 3 bottles of shampoo or conditioner. So once again, you're saving on what you're buying, you're saving money, and you're saving on a lot of plastic waste from containers. So what do we have next? Okay, I've come out of the shower and sprayed my skin again. Can't get enough of that. And then Josie Moran has a whipped argan oil cream. So it's really an oil, but it's like a lotion texture. That's what I put on the rest of my skin. And the rest of my skin really looks pretty good for being in my 70s. So from there, I've had a couple of people ask about a shampoo. This is a toothpaste. So this is one that was recommended by our dentist, Dr. Jen, and I like it because it's fluoride free and it helps to mineralize the teeth. So that's helpful for the teeth. And then I have pretty nice hands and fingernails. Back to Josie Moran. She has a polish remover that has no toluene and no formaldehyde, none of the acrylics. And then she's got a base coat that I use after I buff my nails. And that's what gives me just a nice, shiny, but pretty clean texture on my fingernails. There's another product I like called Revive, which is a cuticle oil. So I put that on my cuticles at night, and that way I don't have ragged cuticles. Nice nails, nice hands. Your hands tell you a lot about your age. So it's not just about your face, it's about your whole body. Now, when I remember, which is not all the time, because we all have things going on in life and we can get full schedules. But the Gasha, the Jade Roller, these are really great things that you can do to get the lymph and skin tone better. I don't always do that, but I do. Every day, I do the lymph drains that we have taught in our Easy program for quite some time. Opening up the lymph pathways so that the lymph can drain and not have any pooling, puffy areas, whether it's your face, arms, throughout your body. That one I do every day. Okay, now, I do wear makeup when I'm in front of the camera because I have pretty pale skin, so I do use a foundation. The company I use is Thrive and their mascara. But another company I like that's very affordable, they just have great products, and it's called World of Color. So this is what I use for just a little bit of blush, a little bit of color to my cheeks. They have a great, just a lip treatment that's kind of like what you would use for a lip balm, but it's a little bit healthier than many of the others because it doesn't have wax. They have great lipsticks. They're always coming out with great colors. I have about 4 or 5 colors, and then I mix them all up to make my own colors. Now, the other thing I've never had in my entire life is nice eyebrows. Not because I pluck, it's that I just never had nice ones. So World of Color has a brush that you can just apply some color on the eyebrows and then brush it, because I've never wanted to get permanent makeup, so that at least gives me some eyebrows. Now, the other thing that impacts your skin is how you wash your clothes and what you put into the dryer. So quite a while ago, I found a company called Force of Nature, and these are laundry squares, and you just put one of these in the bottom of the washing machine, put your clothes on top, and it washes. So this box, which is under $20, lasts at least 3 months for us. So it's very, very affordable. Now, that same company has a cleaning product that I really like. It's very simple. A client shared it with me. And it comes with this device. You're going to put some water in. You're going to use one of these ampules, put it in there, you plug it in, and it makes a cleaner that not only cleans, it works like some of those other products that remove bacteria and so forth. So this is safe enough that you could spray it on a baby bottle. You can spray it on pacifiers throughout the kitchen. It's an all-purpose cleaner, very affordable. I don't get through these nearly as fast as some people, but this is easy and I use it on so many things. It's one of the ways that I clean my water bottle at night and clean the top part, so that's really good. Now, the next thing I want to show you, and I think this will be the end, I use this for washing clothes. I do not use fabric softener, and I don't use fabric softener sheets. That's horrendous for your skin, for the environment. It's just chemically loaded. So we've been using dryer balls for, I don't know, maybe 10 years. You can find these online. They're pretty inexpensive. I always have 6 in mine. Some people use 2 or 4. I don't know why I've just settled on 6. I just make sure I have 6 when I get all the clothes out of the dryer, because if I don't, Abby or Sophie, the little puppies, they will find one of these and they will tear it apart. So always make sure you put back into the dryer what's supposed to be there. So do you have to use all these? No. But these are things that I have found over the years have saved me so much money and have given me the result of skin that I'm not embarrassed about. I'm pretty proud of how I look at 70, knowing that I'm doing the right things on the inside, the right things on the outside, and I make sure I'm stewarding my thoughts, because that would always show through your eyes. So if you want to look your best, save a lot of money, let it be easy, know that you're working with companies that use clean ingredients, take a look at some of these and find the best. I will say, without a doubt. This isn't for sales. This is me speaking from my heart. This has become one of my all-time favorites because not only does it help my skin, every time I spray it on my face, it's like my brain says, I can breathe. And whenever I can help my brain, that's a good thing. So take a note from these. Learn what you can do to take the best care of you possible.